Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm Jen and you're at Craftomaniac. Today I'm going to be sharing how to do this DIY faux fur piano bench cover. Every time my piano bench is shown like in Instagram posts or stories, people ask me, where'd you get it? Where'd you get it? So I thought, I'm just going to show them how to make one because honestly mine's over 3 years old and it's kind of gotten dingy. It's been pulled out and used a bunch, so we're going to do a new one. Here it is. It's 30 by 46. Now this might not work for every piano bench. I will show my piano bench, but this is in the teen home decor bedding aisle at Walmart. It's pretty big. I'm going to kind of lay it out here for you guys so you can see the whole thing. Let's see. I have it here on my kitchen table. I mean, it's pretty big. There it is. Almost like your standard rug size. So, I'm gonna take you guys over to the piano. Here's what you're gonna need besides a rug. You're gonna need a high temp glue gun. I just got mine at Michael's. You want to be high temp because high temp means the glue, it gets hotter and the glue sticks better. I've used low temp glue guns and it didn't work as well. And then you're going to need extra glue sticks. Have a plate for drippage. Obviously I don't want anything getting on the piano, but I need it to be close by. But I need it close by because I'm going to be working over here. Here is the existing faux fur piano bench cover. And as you can see, it's gotten pretty dingy. I mean, we pull this out for extra seating when we have family come over. We'll like put it, ignore my tripod, we'll put it right here, or we'll put it over there. So it gets pulled out for birthday parties and when family comes to visit. It's gotten quite matted, and like I said, it's gotten quite dirty. I mean, you can see, let me see. I'll show you the difference. See the difference already? But for $19.99, this bad boy has served its purpose for 3+ years, so I'm totally okay with spending another 20 bucks and making a new one, especially so that you guys can see how it's done if you want to make one for yourself. So this literally pulls off like this. Pulls off. And here's the piano bench. I can get into it. I'm going to measure it and let you guys know how big it is. So mine is 29.5 by 13.5. So if you have a piano bench that's the same size as mine, you can literally just drape the faux fur over it and leave it just like this and walk away and be done and not do any gluing. But I like it looking more clean. I like this clean edge like this. So I'm going to glue it. So the first thing I do is I make sure both sides are even. And I literally just eyeball it. All the sides are even. You're just going to get to gluing. This makes like a natural, almost like a natural triangle shape, and I'm just going to take a bunch of glue and I'm going to add some glue right here, just like that, and I'm going to bring it in to this flat piece here, and I'm just going to hold it there and pinch till it adheres. You're going to do the same thing on this side, kind of pull it tight and bring it over as tight as you can, and you're going to glue this piece to this piece and you're going to hold it. So you're just going to hold it for a few minutes to make sure it really adheres and sticks, and then if you want to go in and add more glue down in here and here to make sure it sticks to the back of this, you can do that as well. This right here is like the easiest DIY ever to covering a piano bench. You definitely can see a difference in the older one versus the newer one. If you guys end up making this, tag me on Instagram. I'd love to see it. And thank you guys so much for tuning into today's video. Again, this was super easy. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up. And I will be back again with another video very soon. See you guys.